Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by cutting power and confirming it's truly off. This protects you and the wiring. Shut the breaker for that circuit, then use a non-contact tester at the sensor housing until it reads 0. Once done, set your ladder securely. Make sure your tools are within reach. Wear gloves and safety glasses because sharp edges and debris are common. You'll be working at height and with exposed wires, so take a moment to double-check the power is off before touching anything. You now remove the sensor assembly carefully, unscrew the housing and pull the unit forward to access wiring. As you expose wires, label each one: hot, neutral, ground, so reassembly or replacement is simple. This matters because colors and layouts vary. Disconnect the wires, twisting on wire nuts and wrapping with tape to prevent accidental contact. Make sure the connections are secure and the capped wires are pushed back into the junction box. This keeps things tidy and code compliant before you install a cover. You finish by installing a blank cover or mounting the new fixture over the capped wires, ensuring a proper seal and that no bare conductors are exposed. Once everything is secured, restore power at the breaker and test the circuit by using your non-contact tester and flipping the switch. Make sure no arcing, heat, or unexpected lights occur. If something goes wrong, like the sensor still powering, turn the breaker off immediately, recheck your labeled connections, and verify you turned off the correct breaker before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.